Are you tired of sending out countless job applications, hoping one will stick? It can feel like you're shouting into the void, especially when you know you have the skills, the experience, and the drive to succeed. Stop doing random job applications and hoping for the best. It's time for a smarter, more strategic approach. It's time for targeted certification. Stop guessing what employers in the Gulf region are truly looking for. The standards are high, the projects are massive, and they need undeniable proof of your expertise. Don't leave your career to chance. Get the one credential that speaks their language and opens doors that were previously locked. Get QWCAP now. Stop waiting for a lucky break to land that dream job in the Middle East. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. This is your moment to prepare. This is how you make your HVAC career Gulf ready, positioning yourself for the most prestigious and rewarding projects in the world. So what exactly is QWCAP? Let's do a quick intro. QWCAP stands for Qualified and Work Competent Assessed Person, and it is Saudi Aramco's flagship competency assurance program. It was born out of a need for a unified, verifiable standard of excellence for all skilled craftspeople working on their highly complex and critical infrastructure projects. While the program covers many trades, it has been specifically adapted for HVAC technicians to verify their competency against the highest international and regional standards. This isn't just another piece of paper, it's a passport to opportunity. Because it was developed by Saudi Aramco, it is considered the gold standard, making it absolutely essential for anyone looking to secure contractor gigs and contracts with them. But its influence doesn't stop there. Its reputation for rigor means it's recognized and respected by major employers and project managers across the entire Gulf. And that directly translates into tangible benefits for you. Holding a QWCAP certification is proven to boost your pay grade, enhance your benefits package, and provide unparalleled job security. In a competitive market, QWCAP certified technicians are the first to be hired, the last to be let go, and the ones trusted with the most critical work. It's your key to career mobility and long-term stability. To earn this credential, you need to prove your expertise. The exam includes 3 distinct parts, and you must pass all of them to become certified. Let's take a deep dive into what you can expect. First, the multiple choice questionnaire, or MCQ written test. This part is designed to assess your foundational knowledge, covering technical theory and the essential basics of the HVAC trade. You'll face questions on everything from thermodynamics to electrical principles. Time management is key here. You'll need to answer accurately and efficiently. Second is the hands-on practical assessment. This is where you show, not just tell. You'll be evaluated on your real-world skills by performing a series of common but critical tasks on a training unit. This could involve anything from refrigerant recovery and charging to diagnosing a complex electrical fault. The assessors are looking for proficiency, safety, and efficiency. Finally, there's the oral interview, or VIVA, to confirm your in-person competence. Here, an examiner will ask you direct questions about HVAC principles, troubleshooting scenarios, and safety protocols. They want to hear you articulate your thought process. A great way to prepare is by using the STAR method to structure your answers. Describe the situation, the task you faced, the action you took, and the result of your action. This demonstrates clear, logical thinking. To succeed in all 3 parts of the exam, there are key topics you must master. The QWCAP assessment is built around 4 core knowledge areas. Let's break them down. First, refrigeration cycle fundamentals. You need to know this inside and out. This includes the roles of all major components: the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and metering device. You must also have a solid grasp of heat transfer basics. Understanding concepts like latent and sensible heat, and how superheat and subcooling are critical to system performance. The second area is electrical troubleshooting. Modern HVAC systems are complex. You must be an expert in diagnosing faults in electrical circuits, motors, and advanced control systems. This means being proficient with a multimeter, reading wiring diagrams, and understanding the sequence of operations for various types of equipment, from simple thermostats to complex building automation system inputs. Third is pressure diagnostics. This is about interpreting what the system is telling you. It involves the correct use of pressure gauges, performing electronic leak detection, and understanding how to properly charge a system. You'll also be tested on system balancing, ensuring correct airflow and hydronic flow to deliver comfort and efficiency. And fourth, but most importantly, is safety procedures. Safety is non-negotiable. You must demonstrate flawless adherence to all safety rules. This includes selecting and using the correct personal protective equipment, PPE for every task, executing proper lockout-tagout procedures before any electrical work, and following strict refrigerant handling rules to protect yourself and the environment. Pass the exam, and you do more than just get a certificate. You unlock a world of Gulf job opportunities, and you unlock them fast. Certified technicians are in high demand and can often bypass the long, uncertain application processes that others face. It gives you a stronger, more compelling CV and a significant employability edge. When a hiring manager has two similar candidates, the one with the QWCAP certification is the proven, lower-risk choice. It's the ultimate tiebreaker that puts you at the top of the list. So, how do you prepare to pass? Prep smart. Success comes from a disciplined approach focused on three things: study, practice, and rehearsal. We recommend creating a 14 or 30-day study plan. Dedicate time each day to one of the core knowledge areas. Use a log to track your practice sessions and mock test scores to identify your weak spots. First, study. Review refrigeration basics and electrical theory thoroughly every single day. Don't just memorize facts. Strive to understand the why behind every principle. Use textbooks, online resources, and technical manuals. The deeper your theoretical knowledge, the better you'll perform in all three sections of the exam. Second, practice. Drill troubleshooting MCQs regularly to sharpen your exam skills. There are many online resources and apps that offer practice tests. This will help you get used to the question format, improve your speed, and build your confidence in identifying the most likely cause of a fault from a given set of symptoms. And third, rehearse. Rehearse the practical tasks under realistic time constraints regularly. Set up your own mock practical assessment. Create a checklist of steps for common procedures, like pump downs or leak testing. Time yourself. This builds muscle memory and ensures you can perform flawlessly and safely when the pressure is on. Now for a final tip. When you walk into that exam, there are three things to remember that will make all the difference. 1. Be confident. You've done the work, you've studied, and you've practiced. Trust your knowledge. Be confident in your skills and your answers, always. Speak clearly and explain your reasoning. Confidence demonstrates competence. 2. Be clear. Show your competence through clear, methodical procedures and unwavering safety practices. Announce what you are doing and why. For example, say, "I am now verifying the circuit is de-energized," as you use your multimeter. This verbalization leaves no doubt in the examiner's mind about your process. And 3. Safety first, last, and always. Double check your PPE. Follow LOTO without fail. Handle every tool and material with respect. In the eyes of the assessor, a safe technician is a competent technician. Don't wait for your career to happen to you. Take control. Let QWCAP accelerate your HVAC career path starting today.